Today, I'll be showing you how to replace your license plate with a new one. Let's get started. To change license plates, all you'll need is a screwdriver. Remove the screws, or screw, depending on how many you have in. Removed. Alright, now let's do the front. Remove the screws holding your front license plate into place. They can be held in by all 4 screws or just the top 2 screws. Hopefully, it's not held in by just 1 screw. My front plate is held in by 2 screws. One's a Phillips, one's a flathead. Of course, I'm going to need another screwdriver. Now that we have 2 screwdrivers for 2 different kinds of screws, let's unscrew. Let's use the Phillips one. Get the Phillips screw out. Let's use the flathead. Get the flathead screw out. Done. If you have a license plate frame, now's the time to put it on. Take your license plate frame and just slide your license plate into place. Wow! License plate frames are optional, but when I see a person with a license plate frame, I'm like, wow, they have a license plate frame. And I respect that. You have 4 screw holes to secure the plate onto the car. We're only going to use the top 2, so let's screw those in. Great, the rear plate is held on by 2 screws this time. I would prefer not to have a front license plate, but the state I live in requires a front license plate by law.
This is Papa Bear. Put out an APB for a male suspect driving a car of some sort.
So we don't really have a choice. We have our license plate frame. We're going to stick our new license plate into the frame. It should just slide in. Easy. We won't need the flathead anymore. Take our 2 Phillips screws, put it in the top. No need to test it out. You can see the difference. If you found this video useful, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next install. Bye.